Looking to boost your income and achieve financial goals faster? Online surveys offer a convenient solution. Branded surveys, MyPoints, Hey Piggy, Prime Opinion, Free Cash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost are reputable survey sites to consider. Each platform varies in availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so choose accordingly. When selecting survey sites, reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods are key considerations. Maximize earnings by completing profiles thoroughly, utilizing free offers, and prioritizing high-paying surveys. Best practices include creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software for security. Beware of red flags like membership fees, lack of reviews, and requests for private information, as these may indicate potential scams. Surveys for money are legitimate, typically taking 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies pay for your feedback to gather valuable market research and consumer insights. Start earning today by taking online surveys.